Hello, my students. Today is a review. Please write the date, the topic, review, performance, review unit 4 and 5. And we make the exercise that we make yesterday. Okay. Okay. We have the questionnaire. Oh, no, but it's a quiz. No. Well, okay, don't worry. Okay. What food is red color? This is red color. Okay. What vegetable will help my vision? Broccoli or spinach? Is that? Continue. The yellow food have. Okay, continue. He has vacuum to vacuum. Bueno, ahora los dejo a ustedes contestan. What food help to memory? Remember, the purple color. Sweep the floor. Is iron used to prevent colds? Yes or no? No. This is a vacuum cleaner. Good is that. He has. Answer you, I'm sorry. Ta-da-da-da. Very good. Excellent. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. What is he doing? Sweep the floor. I always get hungry after exercise. What should I eat? Ta-da-da-da. Very good. Clean windows. Clean the windows. I'm sorry. Okay, very good. She has. Very good. Continue. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. They have to take out the trash. Make the bed. What is he doing? Very good. What is the correct? No, correct. Is incorrect all of them. Todas son incorrectas. Because it's he. Continue. Bueno, pongamos que esta, pero es incorrect. Okay, very good. What food help will prevent some type of cancer? Remember that they are the red color. What food will give me healthy looking skin? Food. The pineapples. What food will help you heart? The color is the red. I believe that. Yes. The vitamin C uses to improve your vision? I don't remember. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No, because it's for cool. Very good. Is calcium needed for strong bones? Yes, of course. Yes. Is protein needed to make new cells? Yes, of course. Right answers. Okay, my student, this is Anno. This is not the activity. What is the correct? Because I have a mistake here.